Hello viewers, welcome back. In this session, I'm going to do identities related to certs exercise 1.4, which is the continuation of my previous video. If you don't watch my previous videos, go back to the videos and search for the theory contents as well. Take for problem number 4, that is represent root 9.3 on a number line. So to do this, you need to have a basic knowledge of how to draw a root x on a number line. So let us take up A to B for a distance of 9.3. Then next add one unit, that is B to C, from here to here. After this, you need to mark a center point, that is O. From O to A, you need to have a beautiful arc which start with A and end with C. So after this, you need to draw a perpendicular line from B which cuts the semicircle at D. This distance of BD represents root 9.3. So this is the value of root 9.3. But to represent, for the second of, to represent 9.3 in a number line, extend C to some extent and draw a semicircle from B as a center, D as a radius, which cuts the number line at E. So this value gives root 9.3. So there are 5 steps here. You should remember. So from A to B, the given value, 1 unit addition, that is A to C. You need to divide is A to C divided by 2, which gives 9.3 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 10.3 by 2, which tends to 5.15 unit. From scale here to here, 5.15 unit. This is the first thing you need to remember. Then semicircle, all of you can know how to draw a semicircle from this point to this point. Draw an arc or semicircle. After this, from B to D, draw a straight line. The value of this BD, the distance of this BD gives the value of root 9.3, with approximation. To represent number line, so from B, radius of D, draw an arc which cuts the number line at E. So which this gives root 9.3 in a number line. All of you, I think all of you understood this. If you don't understand, just leave a comment and I'll try to explain once again. Thank you. For the next question, you need to rationalize the denominator. Remember the meaning of rationalization in my previous video. Rationalization is to convert the denominator into a rational number from irrational number. So for the first question, it's very simple. You need to multiply and divide it by the same thing which is there in a denominator. So which tends to root 7 in the numerator. Root 7 into 1 is root 7. Root 7 square in the denominator. Square and square root get cancelled. The answer is root 7 by 7 for the first question. Coming to the second question, that is 1 over root 7 minus root 6. In the last video, I've uploaded the meaning of rationalization. Here, you need to add, multiply and divided the same thing which is there in the denominator with the opposite sign in between. So it is, if it is minus, you need to put plus here. Root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6. You just multiply these two, which gives root 7 plus root 6 in the numerator. Look at this very carefully. Denominator looks like a plus b into a minus b. So that tends to root 7 square minus root 6 square. This is root 7 plus root 6 as it is. Square and square root get cancelled. Square and square root get cancelled. The remaining thing is as it is 7 minus 6. So root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1, that is root 7 plus root 6. So this is the answer for this question. I hope all of you understood this. Let us go for the next third problem. So 1 over root 5 plus root 2. You need to multiply and divide it by root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2. So you multiply this with this, which gives you root 5 minus root 2 as it is. In the denominator, again, it looks like a plus b into a minus b. Answer for a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square minus b square gives root 5 square minus root 2 square. That is root 5 minus root 2 divided by square and square root cancelled. Square and square root cancelled. The remaining thing is 5 minus 2, which tends to root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. This is the answer for the third question. For the fourth question, you do the same thing which we have learned till now, root 7 minus 2, but be careful, there is no square root here. So multiply and divided by root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. In the numerator, it is as it is, root 7 plus 2 whole divided by, again it looks like a plus b into a minus b, with for a it is square root, for b it is, there is no square root here, root 7 square minus 2 square. Here square and square root get cancelled. Here you need to do the simplification. Root 7 plus 2 whole divided by 7 minus 2, root 7 plus 2 whole divided by 5. So this is the answer for this question. I hope all of you understood this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.